This is my speaking voice using the Shizu microphone, and I am 8 meters away from the pole taking this video. Hello! Good day, everyone! Finally, dumating na yung order ko na Shizu microphone from TikTok a few days ago. And today, I'm going to give you my feedback for this very affordable microphone na sobrang sulit at tipid compared to sa mga binibenta before a few years back. So, itong Shizu na to is under 1,000 lang, and it comes with two microphone, and it has a casing in with it. So sa casing makikita mo, i-shoot mo siya, even yung pang-connect sa mismong phone. And ang maganda dito, nagre-reflect na rin yung percentage ng battery dun sa mismong casing niya. And if you put them together sa loob, meron na siyang charger dito. Aside sa individual charger ng bawat microphone. Aside from that, it comes with USB cable charger and this ear plug na Type-C rin. According dun sa box na dumating, this is for testing yung mga video creation. So, I am giving this review because a few years back, meron akong nabili at yun yung ginagamit ko. And napansin ko na medyo hindi na ganun ka-competitive yung kanyang voice quality. So later, I'm going to give you a sample ng voice recording using Shizu and yung isang medyo mid-branded na microphone. This is my speaking voice using the Shizu microphone, and I am 8 meters away from the pole taking this video. This is my speaking voice using naman the other brand that I bought few years back. To be honest, napaka-pricey nito compared sa Shizu. Ang layo, as in parang double the price. And to give you an idea, it's in color pink. Sila lang yung mid-range brand na nag-release ng limited color na pink. And basta opposite siya ng ate. There you have it, guys. If you are looking for a microphone na budget-friendly pero ubod ang quality, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Check the yellow basket and check out now!